Good morning to Sir Azwan. Today our group will do a presentation for maintenance engineering and management subject. Our topic is classification of maintenance type.
Our group members is Afza bin Deli, Muhammad Nizam bin Majun, Ronnie Lau, and Haza Aiman bin Parlan.
Introduction. Maintenance is an essential activity that ensures the proper functioning and longevity of various systems, equipment and assets. It involves a range of tasks from routine inspection and repairs to major overhauls and replacement. To effectively manage maintenance activities, it is crucial to classify them into different types based on their nature, objective, and requirement. The classification of maintenance type provides a framework for understanding and organizing the diverse range of maintenance activities. It helps maintenance managers and technicians prioritize tasks, allocate resources efficiently, and develop appropriate strategies for maintaining assets and systems.
There are 9 types of maintenance strategy that we will be presenting, which is reactive maintenance, preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, condition-based maintenance, total production maintenance, corrective maintenance, proactive maintenance, improvement maintenance, and safety and environmental maintenance. Reactive maintenance. Reactive maintenance, also known as breakdown maintenance or corrective maintenance, refer to a maintenance approach where repairs or maintenance activities are carried out in response to equipment or system failure. It is a fix it when it breaks approach, when maintenance action are taken after failure has occurred. The benefits are cost saving, which is by avoiding regular preventive maintenance activities and inspection, organization can reduce upfront maintenance expenses. Flexibility, which is reactive maintenance, provide a flexibility approach as it does not require adhering to strict maintenance schedule and focus on critical assets. Reactive maintenance can be suitable approach for non-critical assets or equipment that can be easily repaired or replaced without significant consequences. Yeah. Weaknesses, which is increased downtime. Equipment or system remain out of operation until repairs are complete, resulting in disruption to production schedule and decreased productivity. Higher repair costs. Since maintenance is performed after a failure has occurred, it often requires more extensive repair, replacement parts, or specialized service. Lack of predictability. With reactive maintenance, failure occur unexpectedly, making it difficult to predict and plan for maintenance activities. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is a proactive maintenance strategy aimed at preventing equipment failures, minimizing breakdowns, and ensuring the optimal performance and longevity of assets. It involves regular inspection, scheduled maintenance tasks, and component replacement performed at predetermined intervals or based on usage threshold. The benefits are increased equipment reliability, which is regular maintenance helps identify and address potential issues before they escalate into major problems. Extend equipment lifespan, which is by addressing wear and tear, lubrication, moving parts, and replacing worn out components. Preventive maintenance helps extend the lifespan of equipment. Improve safety, which is regular inspection and maintenance help identify and rectify safety hazards or faulty components that could pose risks to employees or environments. The weaknesses are costly and time-consuming, which is implementing a preventive maintenance program requires upfront investment in terms of resource, labor, and time. Over maintenance or under maintenance which is over maintenance, where excessive maintenance is performed, can result in unnecessary costs, including labor, spare parts, and equipment downtime. Limited effectiveness in detecting unforeseen failures, which is equipment failures can occur despite regular maintenance if they stem from unpredictable factors or conditions not accounted for in maintenance program.
Predictive maintenance is an advanced maintenance strategy that utilizes data analysis and condition monitoring techniques to predict equipment or system failure and determine the optimal timing for maintenance activities. It focuses on identifying and addressing potential issues before they result in equipment breakdown or performance degradation. For predictive maintenance benefit, the first one is cost saving. By predicting equipment failure and addressing maintenance needs proactively, business can minimize unexpected breakdowns and reduce downtime. The second benefit is increased equipment lifespan. Predictive maintenance helps extend the lifespan of equipment by identifying and addressing potential issues before they cause significant damage. The third benefit is enhanced operational efficiency. By leveraging data and advanced analysis, predictive maintenance enables business to optimize maintenance activities. And for predictive maintenance weakness, the first one is data quality. Predictive maintenance rely heavily on data, and if the data is incomplete, inaccurate, or outdated, the prediction may be unreliable. The second weakness is cost. Predictive maintenance can be expensive to implement as it requires investment in data collection and analysis tools, as well as skilled personnel to manage and interpret the data. The third weakness is false alarm. Predictive maintenance system may generate false alarm, indicating that maintenance is needed when it is not.
For the next slide, I would like to talk about condition-based maintenance. Condition-based maintenance (CBM) is a maintenance strategy that focuses on monitoring the actual condition of equipment or system to determine the need or maintenance. It involves the use of sensors, data collection, and analysis technique to assess the health and performance of assets. There are three benefits and three weaknesses. The first one is increased equipment uptime. CBM can help identify and address potential problems before they result in equipment failures, reducing unplanned downtime and improving overall equipment availability. The weakness of equipment reliability is CBM relies heavily on the reliability and accuracy of sensor and other monitoring equipment to detect changes in equipment condition. The second one is reduce maintenance costs. By identifying and addressing issues early, CBM can help prevent more costly repair work later on. The weakness of data analysis complexity is CBM data analysis can be complex and requires specialized expertise to interpret. The last one is improve safety. CBM can help identify potential safety hazards before they cause harm, allowing for proactive measures to be taken to prevent accidents. The weakness is cost. CBM can be expensive to implement, particularly if new sensor or monitoring equipment need to be installed. Next is total production maintenance. Total production maintenance is a comprehensive maintenance strategy that involves all employees in the maintenance process. The strategies aim to optimize the overall performance of equipment by focusing on maintenance activities that improve reliability, quality, and productivity. There are three benefits and three weaknesses. The first one is increased equipment efficiency. TPM focus on proactive and preventive maintenance, which help identify and eliminate equipment breakdowns, malfunctions, and performance issues. The weakness is implementation challenge. It requires a significant commitment of time, resource, and effort from both management and employees. Second one is improve overall equipment effectiveness. Is a metric that measures the effectiveness of equipment by considering its availability, performance, and quality. The weakness is initial cost. Adopting TPM may require investment in training, equipment upgrades, and technology implementation. The last one is enhance employee involvement and empowerment. TPM promotes a culture of collaboration and involvement among all employees, not just maintenance staff. The weakness is TPM involves a cultural shift towards a more proactive and collaborative approach to maintenance. Not only that, I would like to talk about corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance, also known as breakdown maintenance, is a type of maintenance performed in response to equipment or system failure or malfunctions. It involves addressing identified faults or deficiencies after they have occurred. There are three benefits and three weaknesses. The first one is cost effective. It allows organizations to allocate their resources based on the actual needs rather than investing in preventive maintenance for equipment that rarely breaks down. The weakness is increased downtime. Corrective maintenance relies on equipment failures or malfunctions to trigger repairs. This can result in unplanned downtime as the equipment may need to be taken out of service. The second one is simplify maintenance planning. This simplifies maintenance planning and reduces administrative overhead associated with preventive maintenance strategies. The weakness is higher repair costs. Repair performed after equipment failure may require more extensive work, replacement of parts, or even equipment replacement. The last one is flexibility. Organizations can focus their maintenance efforts and resource on critical or high priority equipment rather than performing routine maintenance on all equipment. The weakness is reduced equipment reliability. Reactive repairs may temporarily resolve the immediate issues, but they do not address underlying problems or potential future failures. The last one for me is proactive maintenance. Proactive maintenance is a maintenance strategy that focuses on preventing failures and optimizing the performance of equipment or system through planned actions and interventions. It involves taking proactive measures to identify and address potential issues before they lead to failures or performance degradations. There are three benefits and three weaknesses. The first one is increase equipment reliability. Proactive maintenance help identify and address potential problems early on, reducing the likelihood of unexpected equipment failures. The weakness is higher initial cost. Implementing a proactive maintenance program often requires an upfront investment in resources such as specialized tools, equipment, and training. The second one is reduce downtime. Proactive maintenance minimizes the chance of unexpected breakdowns by addressing issues before they escalate. The weakness is increased planning and scheduling. Proactive maintenance requires careful planning and scheduling of maintenance activities. The last one is cost saving. That is, while proactive maintenance requires an upfront investment, it can lead to significant cost saving in the long run. The weakness is risk of over-maintenance. Proactive maintenance involves conducting regular inspections and servicing, which may lead to unnecessary maintenance actions.
Okay, next is improvement maintenance. Improvement maintenance, also known as improvement-based maintenance or improvement-focused maintenance, refer to maintenance activities that aim to extend the performance, reliability, efficiency, or lifespan of equipment or system beyond their current state. It involves implementing modification, upgrade, or enhancement to existing asset with a goal of achieving a operational outcome. Improvement maintenance have three benefits. They are extended equipment lifespan, cost optimization, and exchange equipment performance. And also have three weaknesses. They are resources intensive, complex analysis and decision making, and last is potential for disruption. And the last one is safety and environmental maintenance, also known as safety and environmental management maintenance, refer to a specialized category of maintenance activity that prioritize the safety of personnel and the protection of the environment. It involves implementing maintenance practice and produce specifically designed to ensure compliance with safety regulation and environmental standard. This also have three benefit and three weakness. The benefit is protection of personnel, regulation compliance, and risk reduction. The three weakness is compliance complexity, resource intensive, and cultural and behavioral change.